it was necessary for me to have a hip replacement. As soon as the healing process began moving forward, which was about 2 months out, where I got kind of an all clear to do things, I had a conversation with a staff member here at the YMCA who mentioned the therapy pool. It was what I needed to give me a little extra boost, a little extra strength. Now I come in regularly and use the Steelworks facility. The first day I was able to come in and use that facility and do sleds and do things that I know how to do. And it made a huge difference, and it helped my confidence, and it helped me again physically and mentally. It helped with my strength. So not quite where I was yet, but I know I will get there with the help of being a member of the Y.